Welcome to the Zane Trace Model Railroad Club. Today, we will be viewing scenes from our current layout. We are located in downtown Zanesville, Ohio, and we are currently celebrating 50 years of our club. We have 2 open houses a year, with the next one coming up this Halloween. Our layout is roughly based from locations from Pittsburgh to Columbus and Chicago. Our open house on Halloween weekend will be both the 31st and 1st from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. This year, we will have artifacts and films of railroading history from Zanesville and surrounding areas. Here we see a Norfolk Southern train going over the Ohio River. Ohio Central SD 40-2Ts lead a long coal drag out of the steel runner. Notice how the nose on 4026 is missing a C. These locomotives have hauled the same trains through Zanesville, all the way up to about 5 years ago. Here's the tunnel motors going past Leesburg Station, en route to West Virginia. A PRRE unit heads a fleet of modernism train past Morristown, Ohio, also on its way east to Pittsburgh. Later in the night, a PRRT-1 rushes an express train coming into Morristown from Egypt Valley. It seems we've had some unlawful actions take place in Gooden, West Virginia, as a Canadian Pacific train rolls by. Later down the line in Moonville, the MVFD had a call to action as these CPSD 90 mechs passed by on the street. Thank you for watching. Check out our Facebook page. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell to get notified when a video is posted. Goodbye for now.